welcome back to my channel. This is my video number 3 of my 6-part series. There will be 5 videos before Halloween and 1 very special one on Halloween. Now, to get this one started, we are going to be making little candy corns. And I will be drawing cute little faces on them. Well, not drawing, more putting little pieces of clay on them. But let's get started. Here is what you will need. A pencil, a piece of paper, a marker, specifically a Sharpie to outline, a glue stick, and you could use a glue pen too if you want, scissors, and cardboard. So this is actually going to be like a cardboard standee thing. Let's get started. This is going to be an enter if you dare sign. So to start off, I'm gonna do a little dirt patch around right there, and then put a little thing right there, and then I'm gonna draw a line up that high, like that, and then I can go all the way like this and fill that in, and like make it look, you know, just like a little dirt patch. Then I'm going to draw a line right there, another one about right there, and then put 2 more right here, but I'm going to fill in that little gap right there. So the signs are going to be out of like broken looking pieces of wood. So draw little zigzags on the side like this, and then a little thing up so it looks like that. Then next, we're going to put enter if you dare, but make the letters kind of creepy looking for Halloween. So, just spell enter if you dare, E-N-T-E-R, and then put if you dare, like this. And we will color the drawing in red, or whatever color you want to draw, but I am going to draw the words in red. Now it is time to outline. So I'm going to take my Sharpie and outline everything, just like the outside, like I did in one of my other videos. So it just helps me when I outline the entire thing first, and then I outline the inside details, which I'm not going to be outlining the enter if you dare, but it should look like that. Then fill in the other details and color and outline those like that. So you can put all those. Now it is time for coloring. For coloring the little dirt patch, obviously, I have chose brown for the dirt. So I'm gonna have the brown dirt. I'm gonna kind of lightly color this to make it look like wood. Now, I'm gonna take this and put some grass right there, like that. Maybe put a few here and like a little weed growing up there. Then I am going to take a red colored pencil and fill in the words enter if you dare. It might seem weird that I'm starting off with dare, but I was thinking just starting off at the bottom. And then I'm gonna make it kind of drippy looking, like if it was sprayed painted on. Like that. So now for the next part that I'm gonna color, I'm gonna use my brown and color the sign like this, so that it kind of looks jaggedy and creepy like that. Now I am going to cut it out and cut out the cardboard standee. And now you are done with your spooky enter if you dare sign. And you can look at it and put it with your other decorations. I hope that you liked this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!